Yeah, that's it.
How's that position look?
Yeah, step back a little bit. I want to see how much room's on either side. Okay, that looks good. Go ahead and pull
Look
the
good?
latches in. Yeah, pull the latches in.
Begin mounting?
Yeah, go ahead and put the screws in. So you can see the vortex cooler is going to pour right on top of this, so that'll be good to keep this guy cooler.
That'll be nice.
You don't want it too cold.
How's
Okay,
that look?
that looks good. Can you estimate how long of an Ethernet cable we need to go from? You can see the switch to the right there, so that looks like a meter and a half maybe, or just a meter would probably do it.
I'd say a 3-footer is perfect.
Yeah, that's also known in some places as almost a meter.
Yeah, correct.
All right, you can go ahead and button it up and come on back.
Roger that.